LED headlight bulbs designed for projector headlights have moved from niche upgrades to mainstream improvements for visibility, safety, and aesthetics. Projector housings demand precise beam control, compact form factors, and reliable thermal management to avoid glare, flicker. List number 1. H1 LED bulbs for projector. Navkapar's H1 LED kit emphasizes a true one-to-one halogen replacement with a plug-and-play design, claiming a 600% brightness increase over halogen references and a 24,000 lumen total output. The kit uses a compact form factor, a 6063 aluminum body, and a dual-layer heat dissipation system intended to preserve performance across temperature swings. It is marketed as fog light oriented, but stated to support high-low beam capabilities with a fanless configuration, which helps reduce noise and potential failure points in tight spaces under the hood. The universal fit claim is tempered by a note about potential ECU or error code interactions on sensitive vehicles, encouraging owners to verify fit against the manual. Performance-wise, the one-to-one design aims beam placement suggests predictable cutoffs similar to halogen bulbs, which supports minimal glare when properly aligned. However, the absence of an active cooling fan means thermal behavior relies on passive copper plating and aluminum channels, which may be adequate for shorter duty cycles, but could reduce lumen stability in prolonged use or in hot climates. With a claimed 50,000-hour lifespan and IP68 rating, Navkapar positions this as a durable, budget-friendly upgrade, best suited for drivers who prioritize easy install.
List number 2. H11-9005 LED bulbs combo. Terminator bundles a high-brightness H11, H9, H8, B3 combo set, pitched as one-to-one halogen replacements with a robust cooling solution. A 22,000 RPM high-efficiency fan and aviation-grade aluminum housing. The kit claims 80,000 lumens per set and includes built-in CAN bus to reduce warning codes on a wide range of vehicles. The compact, driver-integrated design avoids external drivers, supporting straightforward plug-and-play installation. It targets users seeking maximum brightness for dark environments, with a focus on driving light performance rather than color accuracy alone. In practice, the combination of a high-speed fan and copper heat dissipation aims to sustain high lumen output without thermal throttling, which should translate into steadier beam intensity and more consistent performance during long night drives. The claimed 60,000-hour lifespan and 6500K white light provide a bright, daylight-like color that can improve obstacle detection. On the downside, the claimed 800% increase in brightness relative to halogen is impressive, but can come with glare if alignment or beam pattern is not optimized for your specific reflector. The absence of external drivers is a plus for installation simplicity, but owners should verify compatibility with CAN bus-equipped dashboards on their exact model.
List number 3. H11 bulbs. TechWiz Hub promotes an H11/H8/H9 family with an integrated 12,000 RPM cooling fan and a one-to-one interface designed to mimic halogen geometry. The 30,000 lumen output targets the no-shadow criterion with a 4-side CSP chip layout claimed to yield 360-degree coverage, 6500K color temperature, and a projected beam distance of up to 1,600 feet. The IP68 rating and 50,000-hour life are emphasized, along with a driverless plug-and-play solution that avoids external ballast boxes. Performance-wise, the 4-side chip layout and copper heat pipes are meant to deliver a stable, wide-reaching beam with minimal shadowing, which is especially relevant for fog light rolls and low-beam scenarios. The high-speed fan helps sustain brightness, reducing thermal throttling that undermines LED performance. However, some users report that high brightness can still produce glare if the vehicle's reflector geometry differs from the intended design. Installation is straightforward for most applications, but the note about universal compatibility should be tempered by vehicle-specific fit checks.
List number 4. Fit for Dodge Ram 1500, 2500, 3500 with Projector. Kipe ZSP targets a specific vehicle segment with a 6-pack set tailored for Dodge Ram trucks equipped with Projector headlights. The kit claims 600% brightness improvement, 36,000 lumens total, and a 6500 K color temperature for a daylight-like look. Built-in CAN bus support reduces warnings, and the design emphasizes a compact footprint with 5-minute plug-and-play installation and a heat-sink design for durability. From a performance standpoint, the 6-pack approach offers substantial brightness uplift across high, low beams, and fog. The aviation aluminum construction, IP68 rating, and a turbofan design aim to sustain performance under demanding conditions. However, the manufacturer notes that positive and negative poles cannot be reversed, highlighting the need for careful polarity orientation during installation. The heavy payload, 6 bulbs, is ideal for full front-end upgrades, but requires more storage and a proper wiring strategy in the headlight enclosure.
List number 5. YSY 2PC H4/9003/HB2 LED headlight bulbs with mini projector lens CAN bus. YSY offers a 2-bulb H4/9003/HB2 kit featuring a mini projector lens and CAN bus compatibility, positioning it as a retrofit-friendly option with astigmatism mitigation and 16,000 lumens total. The kit emphasizes a dedicated optical design with a 6,000 K daylight tone and 60,000 hour potential lifespan, using aviation-grade aluminum and heat dissipation features. It markets as a versatile upgrade for retrofits and fog lamp enhancements, with a plug-and-play approach emphasized for user convenience. Performance-wise, the combination of a dedicated projector lens and CAN bus support aims to reduce glare and flicker while delivering a crisp cutoff. The 32-volt operation spec seems atypical for standard 12-volt automotive systems and may indicate a broader use scenario. Buyers should verify exact voltage compatibility with their vehicle. The included glove recommendation to avoid scuffing is a practical note for users handling the bulbs during installation. Overall, this option suits enthusiasts seeking a more controlled beam pattern and a relatively straightforward fit across multiple headlight configurations.